Hello, I'm in a 2002 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from here we will just go down from the driver's side and you should see a little lever, and here is what you pull. That pop sound was the safety releasing. You should have some tension still though, and if you don't, you want to make sure all these cables like this are tight and connected. But it's released now, so we'll go up to the front. Most vehicles, they've got a release lever somewhere towards the middle, but it should be kind of loose. Here's the lever, so we push it and pull up. So pushed, pull, and there's the hook, and then there's that release, which just lifted like that. If you're having issues, maybe you need some WD-40 or some gunk cleaned out of this. Sometimes if your hood's out of alignment or this component needs it straightened out and centered. Worst case, these parts are fairly affordable if you need new cables or that little hook mechanism. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.